Users are increasingly building analytics and reporting pipelines using Elasticsearch and Kafka with an overlay of microservices applications. Some of the use cases driving the adoption of such pipelines include log analysis of applications and infrastructure for detecting faults and anomalies, and health management of field-deployed infrastructure such as servers or equipment such as motors, turbines, drives, pumps, etc. SnappFlow from Maple Labs is an application lifecycle management platform that provides a seamless workflow to manage all aspects of an application's lifecycle: provisioning, monitoring and alerts, usage analysis and price optimization, build, release, and operational management. It provides the same consistent flow for both VMs and container applications across hybrid cloud and Kubernetes environments. SnappFlow allows a user to build stage and production deployments within 45 minutes. In the first section of this video, we'll demonstrate how a user can easily provision and monitor a Kubernetes cluster and subsequently deploy containerized applications on top of the provisioned Kubernetes cluster. Provisioning happens in a few simple steps. A. Define an application name. B. Choose a cloud. And C. Choose the Kubernetes template for provisioning. The user then defines the Kubernetes topology and size of nodes. And finally, associates the Git repo and Docker registry to use for continuous integration and continuous delivery. In less than 30 minutes, SnappFlow brings up the Kubernetes cluster complete with built-in monitoring and build-release integrations. It is ready for a user to deploy, build, release, and monitor containerized applications straight away. The user can easily view and customize the dashboards for the overall Kubernetes cluster, as well as configure alerts. If needed, the user can navigate to Kubernetes UI to deep dive into the cluster. In the next section of this video, we'll demonstrate how a user can easily deploy and monitor a complex application that includes multiple components through SnappFlow. The user defines an application in SnappFlow. The user can now add the various components, such as Elasticsearch and Kafka, under this application. Choose the version of Elasticsearch chart from the repo. Charts are provided with standard, production-ready configurations for minimum deployment. The user can edit the configurations and add additional data nodes, or change the configurations of nodes or volumes as needed by editing the YAML file. The deployed template is added to Git. The CI/CD workflow deploys the template to Kubernetes. Any edits to the template triggers a rolling upgrade. Similarly, the user can deploy all components that are part of the applications. SnappFlow brings up each of the components with built-in monitoring, log analysis, and alerts. This is a very powerful module within SnappFlow. SnappFlow deploys the whole stack in 10 to 15 minutes. These are Elasticsearch dashboards. And these are the Kafka dashboards. In the final section of this video, we'll show how a user can easily edit application configurations. The build and release function is fully integrated with SnappFlow. Any configuration changes or code changes to the application trigger build release to the stage environment. The user can roll back to a different build number or change the branch. Furthermore, the user can push the build to production when needed. The user can edit application configurations in the configuration view, which creates a check-in to Git and triggers a new build release to stage. SnappFlow is ideal for agile application teams who manage all aspects of their application without any go-between. Rapidly build complex stacks, including all elements needed to manage the stack through a single elegant workflow. If you're ready to build faster and easily move from concept to go live while significantly reducing tool clutter and cost, contact us at sales@snappyflow.io. You can also learn more at www.snappyflow.io.